Stay tuned for a slow-speed police chase.
Given the amount of filming that goes on in Atlanta, it's not uncommon to see equipment lying around. Another motorist driving without their headlights on. Maybe I won't have to deal with this during my afternoon commute now that daylight saving time is here. This driver is obviously confused about the meaning of right turn only. At first I was confused as to why this guy wasn't in the turn lane. Then I noticed the double yellows. He did the right thing. Good job. But not everybody does a good job. Case in point, this guy. He tries to make a left-hand turn and faces oncoming traffic while blocking the lane. And for that, I'm giving you a Bonehead Award. At only 9 seconds, this has to be the fastest green light in the history of mankind. Let this video be a lesson. When you think it's okay to make a right-hand turn, watch out for people making U-turns. This driver can't pick a lane and decides to drive in both of them. And for that, I'm giving you a Bonehead Award.
Busted. I promised you folks, and now I deliver the dramatic slow-speed police chase. Don't you feel your pulse quickening? Don't you feel the adrenaline flowing through your veins? And it's over.
That's right, more red light runners. Driving on a flat tire is not recommended. Don't you just love it when someone stops in the middle of the road and lets their friends out of the car? If you're going to make a left-hand turn shortly after exiting the interstate, shouldn't you be in the left-hand lane to begin with? The left-hand emergency lane is somewhat narrow. Three things made this morning commute somewhat hectic. First, a driver who wants to go straight is in a turn lane. Second, a driver who is ignorant of the right-of-way or just doesn't care cuts me off so he can make a left-hand turn. And third, a driver stops in front of a no parking sign blocking the lane.
That was just ridiculous.
Yet another driver failing to use headlights. These situations always make me cringe. And finally, if you haven't mastered the art of parking, please stay away from me.